One misstep, that's all it took. 1 second, I was tall and strong. The next, I was on the floor and I couldn't even stand. The doctor said, surgery. No weight bearing for months. And you will never be 100% again. I laid there thinking, is this it? Yoga is my passion. Will I ever be able to get on the mat and do anything that I love again? The first few days were hell. Simple things like carrying a glass of water were impossible. Daily things like using the restroom or taking a bath were like climbing a mountain. I hated asking for help and I hated feeling broken. But then I drew strength from my friends and my family. And I listened to this inner voice which told me healing isn't about leaps. It is about taking one step at a time. And so I began. And began I did. I spent hours working on my body, even if it was 5 minutes at a time. 5 minutes of stretching, few minutes of strengthening, a few seconds of balancing, working on every part of my body. Some days it felt pointless. There were moments that I felt completely helpless. Even walking 10 steps using the walker or the crutches had my heart beating like crazy. I felt tired both physically and mentally. And days I wanted to quit. But I would crawl back and tell myself, one step forward is still a step. Keep going. And then it happened. I took a real step. No crutches, no help. Just me and my breath. That's when I knew the comeback has begun. My heart was filled with joy the first time I sat on the yoga mat. But I knew that this was just the beginning. There will be a lot of pain that I'll have to endure before I can achieve any kind of normalcy. Sitting in cross-leg position was awkward at its best. Sitting in Vajrasan was painful. It still is. And doing a squat was out of question. And as far as Surya Namaskars are concerned, it didn't even come in my thought process. I still had a long way to go. The first time I tried Surya Namaskar again, I couldn't even get my leg back in its position. Next day, a little bit. And then I got it. Just one round, one step at a time. Every round that I did was like a prayer. My body is strong. My mind is stronger. Every bit of pain that I'm enduring is going to help me to succeed. And I am going to get there one round at a time. That one round led to 2, and then 10, and 20. And today I did 108 Surya Namaskars. It was not easy. And I did it not because it was easy, but because exactly a year today, I couldn't even stand. This journey has taught me healing isn't about perfection. It is about showing up one step at a time, one rep at a time, one round at a time. The doctors are probably right. I will never be 100% same again. The physical scars are still there. There are days the pain is so sharp that I start limping again. And there are nights that I wake up with a cold sweat thinking I've fallen again. But despite all this, there's one thing I know, that I will stand up, I will walk one step at a time. If you're watching this, fighting your own battle, remember, your lowest point is not your forever. Breathe, begin one step at a time.